Hi, I am Raji. In today's yoga session, we will be doing breathing techniques, warm up, and sun salutation, a sequence of 12 classic yoga postures. Let's start. Sit comfortably in any sitting position. Keep your spine tall. Relax your body. Gently close your eyes and observe your breath. As you breathe in, feel the cool air entering through your nostrils. As you breathe out, feel the warm air going out. Breathe in, breathe out. Continue for a couple of rounds. Relax. Now gently open your eyes. We will be doing the first breathing technique, Bhramari Pranayama. It means humming deep breath. In this technique, we take our thumb, close the outer flap of the ears and cover the eyes with the hands. You breathe in through your nose, but as you exhale, you create a humming sound. And gently you will observe the vibrations. This pranayama gives a very calming effect, soothing effect to your mind and nervous system. It is a recommended therapy for insomnia. If you have acute ear infection, kindly avoid this practice. Let's go for 5 rounds. Close your ears, eyes, breathe in through your nose. Continue. Gently release your hands. And very gently open your eyes. So next we will go for the lower body warm-up. Slowly stretch your legs in front of you. Keep your spine tall. This is Dandasana position. Bend your left leg. Keep the lower leg like a baby and start cradling movement. This is a great hip opening exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gently release. Go for the other leg. 1, 2, keep your spine tall. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now slowly release your feet. Come to the full butterfly position. Bring your heel in. In case of knee pain, you can increase the distance. Otherwise, bring the heel close to your hips. Interlock. Keep your spine tall and gently bring your knees up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now gently release your feet. Bring both the knees together. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out and relax. Next we will go for the spinal movement, which is called the cat stretching. So you can comfortably come to the Vajrasana position. You can sit on your heels. If this is uncomfortable for you, you can just directly come to the kneeling position. One arm distance between your knees, one arm distance in front of your knees. Come up on all fours. Separate your feet. Make sure the alignment is correct. Your shoulder is above your wrist and your knees are below your hips. Now inhale, look up, chin up, make an arch in your spine. Exhale, bring the chin close to your chest and make a curve. Inhale, look up, chin up. Exhale, make a big arch and pull the belly button into your spine. Inhale, look up, chin up. Exhale, make an arch. Inhale, look up, chin up. Exhale and gently go down. Place your hips in between your heels and gently release your upper body and go for a child pose. Gently stretches the back muscles and very slowly come up, walk your hands back and come to the sitting position. Next, we will be doing Chakki Chalasan, which is the grinding the mill pose. This is excellent to tone up your abdomen and very good for digestive and reproductive health. So, stretch your legs in front of you as much as you are comfortable. Interlock your hands. Breathe in, you go back. Breathe out, cross your left toe, right toe. Breathe in, breathe out. So we will be doing this practice 10 times clockwise and anti-clockwise. Throughout the practice, keep your spine tall and the elbows straight. Let's start. Breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gently relax your spine and go for anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very gently bring your hands back, feet together and relax. Next we will go for cycling. This is very good for your lower abdomen and for the back muscles. Lie down in a comfortable position. Keep your throat completely relaxed, chin parallel to the ground. Now bring both the feet together. Breathe out here. Breathe in, you bring it up close to the floor. In case both the legs are difficult, you can bend one leg and try only for one leg. Let's start. We would be doing 10 times clockwise and 10 times anti-clockwise. Breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Go for the anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gently place your feet and relax. Observe all the muscles in your back and legs. Relax it. Now gently come to the knee to chest pose. Bend your legs. Bring the thighs close to your chest. Hug it. You can place the hands here and release any tension in your back. Gently bring it down. Next, we will be going for the spinal twist. Little bit feet apart. Hands at the back. Inhale here. Exhale, go to your left. Twist your right. Inhale, bring it up. Exhale, twist. As you twist, stack your feet one on top of each other. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and relax. Come to the standing position. Let's do palm tree stretch. Keep your feet apart. Interlock your fingers. Breathe in. You stretch up as much as you can. Come on your tippy toes. Breathe out. You release your hand. Let's start. Inhale. Go up. Exhale. Bring it down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Next, we are going for the lateral stretch. Increase your distance between your feet. Arms interlocked. Breathe in here. Breathe out to your left. Breathe in. Breathe out to your right. Keep your elbows straight throughout the practice. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Breathe in and relax. Next, we will do a simple trunk twisting. Inhale, arms at the shoulder level. Breathe in here. Breathe out. You wrap your left arm around your waist and right arm on your shoulder. So breathe in, breathe out and you twist. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Breathe in, breathe out and you relax. Next, we will be doing sun salutation. It is a sequence of 12 postures. It's a complete workout in itself as it energizes all the parts of the body. Kindly avoid this practice if you have vertigo, high BP, any heart or back conditions. Let's start. Come to the front of your mat. Keep your feet together, hands in front of your heart. Now inhale, take a deep breath in, raise both your hands up. Bend as much as possible. 2, bend halfway and go down completely as much as you can. Take your left leg, place it as far as possible. You can stay here as level 1. If you can stretch little further, push your knees back, stretch your toes, look up. 3, go for a plank. You can always drop your knees if plank is difficult. Hold your breath here. And exhale, go to Ashtanga position. Ashtanga position is, you can lie down completely. Chin, chest, 2 hands, 2 knees and 2 toes. 8 parts are touching the mat. Continue with normal breathing. Inhale, come up to Cobra position. In case if this is challenging for you, you can go for Baby Cobra. Exhale, go into a mountain. Now bring the right leg forward, left knee down, toe stretch. Inhale, look up. Exhale, bring both the legs together. Inhale up, exhale down. In the beginning, remembering the sequence will be a challenge, but as we practice, this becomes easy. So we will do it in a rhythmic way. Now we will stretch the right leg back in the second set. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, right leg back, right knee down, toe stretch, look up. Go to a plank, hold breath. Exhale, Ashtanga. You can drop your knees and go for a direct push-up. Release your feet. Inhale, Cobra. Exhale, Mountain. Inhale, left leg forward, right knee down, look up. Exhale, feet together. Inhale up, exhale down. Now we will go for one more round, both the left side and the right side with the counts. 1, inhale. 2, exhale. 3, left leg back, knee down, look up, inhale. 4, hold breath. 5, exhale. 6, inhale. 7, exhale. 8, inhale. 9, feet together. 10, inhale and relax. Last round. Inhale. Exhale. 3, right leg back. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, left leg forward. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale down. This sequence can be performed up to 6 rounds every day, preferably over the sunrise. Now, let's go for a simple relaxation. Lie down on your mat, feet apart, palms facing the sky. Relax your whole body. Observe your heartbeat. Observe your breathing. Feel a deep wave of relaxation. Feel the breathing slowing down, your heart rate slowing down. Let the whole body relax and very gently come to the sitting position by turning to your right or left. Thank you for joining me today. Inhale, stretch your arms, breathe in, breathe out.